The sliding door requires that a 4-foot panel be installed to the left of the door when looking from the outside of the shield. Install the door frame in the 4-foot panel the same as the other panels. Be sure to install all of the panels in the containment and the door frame before installing the sliding door itself. Install the roller brackets on top of the door, 5 inches from the edges of the door. The flanged roller bracket must be installed opposite the handle side of the door with the flange facing away from the other roller bracket. The top section of the panel should be lowered so that the foam gasket is out of the way. Fasten the track to the lower section of the door frame with the 4 screws provided. This should be done from the inside of the shield, and the top section of the door frame should be lowered so that the foam gasket is out of the way. A bracket is required to secure the other end of the track onto the 4-foot panel to the left of the door. Insert the notched blade key of the bracket into the groove of the extrusion. Rotate the bracket 90 degrees and slide it towards the screw hole near the end of the track. Secure the bracket with the bolt and thumb screw. Insert the roller brackets on top of the door into the track. 2 people are recommended for this step. After the door has been positioned, the magnetic closer can be installed at the end of the track. Adjust the top set of nuts on the roller bracket so that the door is plumb in its closed position. If the door does not line up well with the frame or cannot close at all, check that the door frame is plumb with the level and make the appropriate adjustments. Install the custom latch with the keypad and handle. The height of the catch plate may need to be adjusted for the door to close securely. Raise the upper panel and secure it using sealing brackets, then lower the adjustable aluminum extrusion. Raise the adjustable aluminum extrusion and lock it into place with the thumb knobs and sealing brackets. Place the track cover over the track and secure it in place with the 3 screws provided. Stand the door upright and slide it onto the adjacent piece. Raise the upper panel, then lower the adjustable aluminum extrusion. Alternate inserting polycarbonate panels and aluminum spacers until the upper panel is filled. Raise the adjustable aluminum extrusion and lock it into place with the thumb knobs and sealing brackets. Then attach the door closer, door handle, and catch plate. The final step is to adjust the door sweep.